This is the question practical session of DBMS. I'm going to do the fifth question of the practical session. Let's see the question. In the question it says Board of Directors of New Vision Academy has decided to computerize the information of all the teachers in the educational institution. The software is being developed by Taraka Software Solution. Assume that you are working as a senior software engineer in the company, and you and your team are responsible for creating the database of this software. Create the database according to the instructions given to you as follows. And in the first one, you have to create a database called New Vision Academy, and the second one, I have to create the table called teacher as the instructions in the table, and then I have to enter those data by queries, not using graphical method, and I have to use queries. So I'm going to make it in HeidiSQL. I'm going to open HeidiSQL. I'm going to enter my password. Okay, now I'm going to create the new database. I'm going to create the database. New Vision Academy. New Okay, now I created the database New Vision Academy. I'm going to create a table. The table name will be the teacher name, teacher. I'm going to add the columns. First column is teacher register number, teacher register number. Its data type is varchar, and the length is 10. I'm going to add the second column, first name. His name Marcha 45. And the last name Marcha 45. Gender, and it's Marcha 10. Contact number. It's also Varchar 10. I'm going to add email. Email also Varchar 50. Okay, now I'm going to save the table. The table is saved now. So I have to enter the data into the table using queries. I'm going to type the queries into the query. I'm going to the query section, and I'm going to type the query here. I have to insert the data, so I'm going to enter the insert query. Insert into the table name is teacher. I have to give the column names. First one is teacher register number. Teacher's register number. Then second one is first name. One is last name. Gender, and contact number, email. Okay, now I am going to enter the values. Okay, the first value is register number. In this register number, I'm going to take the register number. Then first name, second name, gender male, the contact number, contact number, then the email, okay, that's the details. And I'm going to check the query again. Teacher register number, first name, last name, gender, contact number and email, and then the data. Then I'm going to execute the query. There's an error coming in here. Okay, the syntax is wrong. I'm going to execute now. Okay, now it says query is executed. When I check the data table, okay, the data is entered. So now I'm going to enter the other queries. So here's the other queries for the inserts. So I'm going to execute those queries. You can see I have entered all the data. Okay, now I'm going to execute the queries. Okay, now they all are affected and inserted into the table. When I go to the data section, I go to refresh. Okay, as you see in here, all the data is included into the table as the given table. You can see all the data is in here. Okay, that is the question 5.